Hello and welcome to my channel. I think I also have my own opinion, and this is the opinion of many. I wish APC political party knew how they are hated. Sincerely, I wish they knew how they are hated. They will better dissolve that party. What are they doing in Abia again? Hmm? What do they want in Abia State? Eh? We're supposed to be talking real politics, and they are talking about, can you imagine? It is not election that they are even dragging in Abia State. It's not even a court case. So they are not talking about corruption. But their problem right now is the name written on a bus terminal. That is APC's problem. We are all aware Otti just finished the bus terminal in Abia State, one of the, or if not the best in Nigeria. I had rumors that the construction of that terminal, the amount used, is lower than the amount used in, somebody said Lagos, and even, I don't know, this weakest terminal in Abuja that rain took out the roof. Yet, the one constructed with cheap amount, based on what we had, is the best. And APC party is angry that the name of one particular woman was written on it. Hell! We are going to remind you something in this broadcast. APC. I wish you people knew how you are headed. A brand new bus terminal rises in Abia State. Yeah, as you can see, many people are celebrating it. Many commuters are excited. Many traders see it as opportunity. But while some people are praising Governor Alex Otti, others are asking a different question. Why was the terminal named after a woman who announced his election victory? Is this a well-deserved honor, or has Abia just opened a new political battle? That is what we are going to look at today. This story is not just about bus terminal. Meanwhile, you know what happened last week? The terminal was opened and it was named after the woman who announced Governor Otti as the winner in 2023 election. So you're welcome to this channel. And please, if this is your first time, please subscribe, like our video, and share with others. This particular story is dividing opinion in Abia State. Ndi kwe na ndi ekwe. Governor Alex Otti just commissioned the bus terminal in Abia State, Umuahia. The facility, according to them, is designed to handle hundreds of buses and improve transportation within Abia State. That is a good feat. But instead of only talking about the terminal itself, many people are talking about its name. Their problem is the name given to the terminal. And that is where the controversy begins. Now, let's talk about Nnenna Otti. You all know that elderly professor who said, "No, I can't join the rest in this rubbish." Professor Nnenna Otti became known across Nigeria during the 2023 governorship election in Abia State. She served as the returning officer responsible for announcing the election results. At that time, there were reports of pressure and tension surrounding the collation and everything. Many supporters of Alex Otti believe she's too firm and announced the result according to what was recorded, not in favor of anybody. She announced what is the result. That is what many saw. And those people said she became a symbol of courage. To them, she represented integrity. And because of that, they believe she deserves recognition. So now, let's look at why APC is angry. Because the APC, they normally see things differently. APC is stockpile of the rubbishes of the society. Stockpile of anything, yet they are angry with that bus terminal. They are seeing it differently. They are not arguing whether Professor Nnenna Otti is a good woman or not. No. The argument is about appearance. They are asking, should an election official receive a major public honor from the politician whose victory she announced? I will catch on for leg now. We're going to wait. Now, even if everything was done properly, does he create the wrong impression? What do you really think, you that is watching? That is the question critics are raising. That's mainly APC critics. And it is a question that has sparked serious debate. The question many people are asking. Meanwhile, there are many people, not all people, many people could be 20% out of 100. The supporters of Otti are not worried. They are even pointing out something else. They say critics should be careful. And here is why they say critics should be careful. Because they argue that similar question can be asked at the national level. If Otti did it, it is at state level. What about the one they did at the national level? You want us to remind you? Okay. Many Nigerians are questioning why former INEC chairman Mahmood Yakubu later received an ambassadorial appointment after overseeing the presidential election that produced President Tinubu, the election which is regarded as the worst in the history of Nigeria, that election, presidential election of 2023. And, that is the one that people will query. At the end of the day, when Nnenna announced Otti, which is, Otti, the spelling of this Otti is O-T-I, not O-T-T-I. The governor's surname is O-T-T-I, but Nnenna is O-T-I. Abia people were okay with the result. Majority of Abia people were okay with the result. And they didn't say she tried to favor Otti. But in the case of the presidential election, almost all of Nigerians were opposing the results. And finally, this particular man was given an ambassadorial appointment by Tinubu. And this happened before Otti, Nnenna was even named after the bus park. That of Mahmood happened earlier. Can you imagine? Former INEC chairman, he became appointed as an ambassador. And supporters of Tinubu, they are okay with that one. They held it. Some critics are like, Now, supporters of Otti are asking, if one is acceptable, why is the other suddenly a problem? And here is the big difference people are even talking about. Now, I'm talking about public opinion. Public opinion. Many Abia people argue that there is a major difference between the two situations. They claim Alex Otti enjoys broad acceptance with Abia people today, even from then till now. Many residents praise his road projects, transport reforms, and infrastructure development. They are seeing it. Abia people are very happy with Abia State. The new bus terminal itself is being celebrated by many commuters, transporters, business owners who expect to improve transportation and economic activity. Now, on the other hand, President Tinubu remains one of the most debated political figures in Nigeria. So, which of the two? You judge, which of the two is better? Yes, she was the returning officer, Nnenna. They named the terminal after her. Okay, the case of Tinubu and the so-called Mahmood, that they couldn't see a judge, appointed as an ambassador after making many Nigerians cry. After making many Nigerians cry. Do you think if it were on merit, he would get that ambassadorial position? I don't think so. One of the most, or the most controversial, is not one of the most, in fact, that election, the most controversial election in the history of Nigeria. And in the minds of a lot of Nigerians, we know who won. Now, while they were, talking rubbish, have you seen that terminal? Political argument is becrowding the whole thing. Have you seen that terminal? Nobody's talking about the beauty of the terminal, the quality. They are talking about it was named after someone who. Jesus will say, remove the log in your eye so that you'll be able to see clearly, to remove the guinea one small thing in your brother's eye. Remove the log in a plank of wood in your eye. APC, hey, or get it to fear. Let's even talk about the terminals. Now the terminal exists. It does not exist before. The bus park will use it. Passengers will pass through it. And businesses will operate there. Even jobs will be created around it. Many people will get jobs connected to that particular terminal. Abia people are happy. They don't care. Whatever politics you want to mention as connected to that terminal, they don't care. They don't care about this political nonsense. Meanwhile, here is the deeper side of things. This story raises important question for Nigeria. How should public servants be honored? When does recognition become appreciation? And when does appreciation begin to look like a reward? These are questions some people will begin to ask. Nigerians will continue discussing long after the ribbon cutting ceremony is over. But in the end, one thing is clear. The bus terminal is real. The political argument, they are real. But perhaps the biggest test will not be the name on the building. The biggest test will be whether the terminal improves the lives of the people who use it every day in Abia State. Because when history is written, citizens often remember results more than nonsense epicitic argument. Epicitic argument. So what do you think? Did Alex Otti make the right decision? Does Professor Nnenna Otti deserve that honor? Me, I'm feeling she deserves more than that. Or should public infrastructure remain completely separate from election officials? What do you think? She was only a returning officer. And answers things exactly as it is. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this analysis, please subscribe to our channel. Like this video and share with others. Thanks for watching. I'm Azuka OJ.